Hello, kids. I hope you all are fine. Today, I'm going to explain you chapter number 20 Eating Together. Aims and objectives. To know about class party and to encourage students for eating together. To know about Bihu. To learn about midday meal. School reopened after vacations. Students discussed how they spent their holidays. Aarti attended her uncle's wedding and had a lot of fun. As Aarti was having mehndi on her palm, Meena asked, "When did you put mehndi on your palms?" Aarti replied, "At my uncle's wedding." "Oh, you must have had a lot of fun at the wedding," said Meena. Aarti replied, "At the wedding, we had fun with all my cousins and other relatives eating and doing everything together." Let's do something like this in the school. David suggested of having a class party. Reena suggested having a party on Saturday, which is a half day. Everyone in the class decided what each would bring for the party. Children enjoyed the party on Saturday. There was so much variety of food. They also played games. They sang and danced as well. Everybody was so relaxed. There was singing and dancing too. They decided that they would have such a party again. Now, let's talk about Bihu festival. Children, do you know where is Bihu is celebrated? Yes, it is celebrated in Assam and it is a harvest festival. Children, look at the map of India. Here, the portion which is shown by red is Assam, which is in northeast of India. And in this state, Bihu festival is celebrated. Sonmoni woke up early and ran to meet her friends Tanveer, Fatima and Mazani. Today was a special day in Assam. The new rice crop had been harvested. The village was celebrating the festival of Bihu. As you can see in the picture, children, the people are very happy and they are celebrating Bihu festival. The four friends made Belaghar from bamboo. The new rice crop was harvested. Now I am going to tell you how they celebrated Bihu. Sonmoni said, hurry up, we must finish making the Belaghar of grass and bamboo before the feast tonight." Tanveer said, "Yes, today is Uruka. The whole village will eat together." Children, do you know the meaning of Uruka? Magh Bihu is celebrated on 14th and 15th of January. The first day is called Uruka, and that day people build a temporary shed called Belaghar. Has contributed money to buy the bora rice, fish and vegetables. They also arrange wood for mezi. Hariya and Bhadia have not given money, but they are helping with all the work. Some people have gone to the market to buy things like meat, fish and vegetables. The bora rice has been soaked. Children, do you know the meaning of bora? Yes, bora is a common variety of rice used in Assam. These are sticky rice. The whole village is busy making pitha. As you can see in the above picture, all villagers are busy in making pitha. Some people are cooking and some are roasting the sweet potatoes. Children, given below is the picture of sweet potatoes. Some will help to serve the food at night. In the evening, everyone will be served tea and pitha. Water was boiled in a tav, which means a big vessel for preparing chewa rice. Everyone will be served tea and pitha in the evening. Now the Bela Ghar was ready. The four friends ran off to change their clothes. Soon all the people in the village got together at one place. The women were dressed in a pat and muga, meghala chadar. Sonmoni and her friends ran to the Bela Ghar. The drums started to play and everyone started to sing and dance, as you can see in the picture. The children are very happy as they are dancing. Everyone danced till they were tired. Then they all sat down on the ground in rows and ready to eat. The food was served on banana leaves. Everyone enjoyed the feast. That night they stayed in Bela Ghar. They lit mezi and Bela Ghar the next morning. It was almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The smell of food cooking was coming from the veranda and students' stomach was rumbling. They were so hungry they were not able to pay attention to the lesson in the class. Ding 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 ding. Suddenly, at last, now the bell rang. All the children ran out and went to wash their hands. Master Moshe sent all the children to the hand pump at the corner of the courtyard. As you can see in the picture, children, this is a picture of hand pump. Students stood in queue for the meal. Bhat sukto, which means rice with vegetable and gravy, was being served. Didi Moni said it was their duty to serve fresh food to the students. Now, children, I am going to tell you something about midday meal. Children, do you know many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day? Many of them go to school with empty stomach and can't study properly. Some years ago, the highest court of our country gave an important decision that all the children up to elementary school should be provided hot cooked food. This is the right of every children. It was started to encourage the poor children to attend the school. The midday meal involves provision of lunch free of cost to children on all working days in government schools. So, children, it was all about chapter number 20, eating together. I hope you understood the chapter well. Thank you.